Hey guys, this is Sneha and welcome back to another video of Sneha's Wing Dreams. Today I'm going to review the most awaited Nykaa SkinSecret's face sheet masks, Rice+Camelia, and another one is Pearl and Hyaluronic Acid. Two of their most amazing sheet masks. To start with, firstly we will be cleaning our faces. My sister is using a cleanser as she has dry skin, and I'm using this Himalaya face wash as I have combination skin. After cleaning our faces, time for the sheet masks. I'm using Rice+Camelia for nourished and radiant skin, and she's using the Pearl and Hyaluronic Acid for firm and brightened skin. Wow, it was the first try and we are really good at it. Once applied on skin, it is instructed to keep it for good 10 to 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, time to remove the wipes. Next, we have taken the remaining serum on our palms and nicely massage it on our face and neck till the complete serum is absorbed in the skin. These sheet masks really worked wonder for our skin, and especially for my sister because she has dry skin, so it worked magic for her. Lightly wiping off our faces with a wet tissue to remove any stickiness if there. Time for toning the skin using this Kama Ayurveda lavender water and patting it all over the face and neck so that the open pores get closed. Next, using this Patanjali Aloevera gel and massage it on our face. As you all know that I'm in love with this Nykaa Naturals Jojoba oil, so we will be applying it on all over our face and neck to moisturize the skin. And it really does the work well. It actually treats your skin from within. And finally, time to apply my favorite Boroline on the areas where some extra care is needed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I will be putting down the links to all the products that I've used in this video as my night care regime. Do let me know what else you all want to see, and if you've loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So till the next time, love your skin, sleep tight, and stay gorgeous. Bye bye.